Last time you saw how Malcare's ozone layer keeps out 95% of attacks, but high performance security means being prepared for any risk, no matter how small the probability. So in this video, you will understand the best way to detect and clean any malicious hacks from your website. You need a security plugin that is high performance, reliable, and easy to use. But how can you actually get this? Let me show you how we achieved this with Malcare's second layer of dedicated defense, the Cortex layer. The Cortex layer has two layers of high-tech security systems, the malware scanner and the malware cleaner. The first step of high-performance security is to quickly detect and diagnose a hack site. First, I'll quickly explain the basic status quo of malware scanning in the market. Then I'll show you how Malcare does it differently, making it the most high-performance security plugin out there. Now, most popular security plugins use methods like file matching, keyword matching, signature matching, and file tracking. But this is very ineffective. Hacks are much more complex these days. That's why these methods lead to a ton of false positives. A false positive is when a legitimate file is wrongly detected as malware. Besides false positives, these methods lead to a ton of missed malware and even slow down your site. Yes, most probably you didn't expect this, but your security can actually slow down your site. In fact, this has been happening to sites for years now. Basically, most security plugins conduct all their scanning on your website server, eating up its resources and slowing it down. So, now you know what the status quo is. This is not what we'd call high performance security. Let me show you what site security should actually be like. First of all, Malcare also does file matching, keyword matching, signature matching, and file tracking. But here's the important difference. We've created a unique method of doing all these processes on our own servers so that your website never slows down. In fact, Malcare is the only security plugin on the market that actually speeds up your website because we do both scanning and cleaning on our own servers. Secondly, to solve the ineffectiveness of these methods, Malcare created a new type of scan powered by our intelligent algorithm. Why intelligent? Well, because this algorithm is constantly learning from over 200,000 websites on our network. From each site, over 100 parameters are evaluated, giving Malcare tons of helpful data regularly. That's why the Malcare scanner has a unique advantage. It can almost immediately pinpoint the exact malware in your site with incredible accuracy. Malcare automatically scans every part of your site daily. It scans your files, it scans your databases, it even scans your site as a regular visitor. All of this is done to ensure that every day your site is scanned as thoroughly as possible. The cherry on top, we don't just give you the most high performance scanner in the market. Malcare is a complete security solution. You'll also get the best malware cleaner that annihilates any hacks that your scanner may detect. Let's talk about the Malcare cleaner. The second step of high performance security is to quickly and thoroughly clean a detected hack. Hackers use your site to steal financial information, steal site traffic, send spam emails, or even attack other sites. This can get your site suspended by your web host. Web hosts suspend hack sites regularly to avoid other sites on the same network getting penalized. To make matters worse, Google will also do its best to warn all of its users not to visit your site. This is called blacklisting, which can be devastating for your site SEO. It's very difficult to get back the same ranking in the Google search engine again. Basically, hacks can cause tremendous short-term and long-term damage. This is why you must clean your site quickly and thoroughly before a web host or Google can penalize you. But most cleanup services take days to clean your site. Even then, backdoors are often left unclean. False positives lead to wrongful file deletion, and a lot of malware can escape detection and deletion. To solve these problems, we created the Malcare Cleaner. It surgically removes all the malware completely with just the click of a button. Yes, it sounds too good to be true, almost magical. Malcare is able to achieve what no other security plugin can because of its intelligent algorithm. This gives it tremendous speed and precision in cleaning any detected hacks. Malcare's cleaner leaves no backdoors or strands of malware behind. It avoids false positives, and most importantly, this precision and effectiveness does not come at the cost of speed. Your site will be clean with just a single click. This brings us to the end of this video. Now, the free version of Malcare automatically configures the firewall, login protection, and Malcare scanner to your site. This means you have a part of the ozone and Cortex layer activated for free. This is great protection that is sufficient for most websites. But if you have a valuable business website, you need full protection of both the ozone and the Cortex layers and the ability to clean hacks as fast as possible. This is why you should upgrade to the Malcare Basic plan, which activates both the ozone layer and the Cortex layer fully for your website. Basically, you'll be protected against any attacks and will be able to neutralize any hackers that may try to sneak in, giving you proper peace of mind. Now, just to take a look back, in the last video, we talked about the ozone layer, which had bot protection, firewall protection, and CAPTCHA protection to keep out 95% of hacks. In this one, we explored the Cortex layer, which had the malware scanner and cleaner. It's been quite a journey, but it's not the end. In the next video, we'll explore the last protection layer that Malcare provides. This consists of backups and activity log. Basically, having a fail-safe backup is a life-saving feature that can revive any damaged part of your website easily. Activity logs are a unique feature which create a proper timeline of your website changes, giving you the power to track who made changes to your website and when. And of course, we've built a lot of other cool technology within these layers, which I'm really excited to share with you. But we're going to do that next time. That's all for today. It's been a real pleasure to once again connect with you through this video. Welcome to the Malcare family. Feel free to reach out to us anytime at this email ID. We're always available for you 24/7. Take care of yourself. I will see you again next time.